Hi, my name is Giuseppe and I'm a 9-year-old car enthusiast. I'm on a mission to shape the next generation of gearheads. Welcome to Giuseppe's Garage. One of the most misused phrases when it comes to auto body is, it'll buff out. Today I'm going to show you something that will and something that won't. Here I have 3 examples. The first one is transfer paint, and that means like you rub against something. Safety first. Put just enough compound, because if you put too much, you're gonna regret it, because the compound is gonna go all over the place and it won't buff how you want. So put just enough and use the buffer in an up and down and side to side motion. Hold the buffer at a 30-degree angle and be extra careful around the edges, otherwise the buffer is gonna kick and you don't want that. You're gonna peel the paint off. Then wipe off the compound with a microfiber cloth and see if you remove the scratch. In the second one, your fingernail barely gets stuck in it. That means you got a 50-50 chance of buffing it out. Get a wet piece of 1500 grit wet sandpaper and sand it as evenly as possible. Be careful not to over sand, otherwise you go through the clear coat and then you gotta repaint the area. Then buff the area that you sanded. Lastly, wipe off the area that you're buffed and inspect to see if you removed the scratch. The third one, your fingernail actually gets stuck in it. That means it went through the clear coat and the base coat, so now you gotta repaint the area. So the next time someone says, it'll buff out, now you know for sure that you can do it yourself.
So wait a beat before you say it, and okay.
What was it? I forgot the sentence.